welcome back, welcome back. This is Strive and Struggle and you're here with Tammy J. Okay, so in today's episode we are going to be making detox water. Now if you can remember in my earlier episodes I showed you how to make a detox water. However, what I found was that I would chop my ingredients up and leave it in my bottle for about maybe 2 or 3 days. Then I find myself having to chop up more ingredients and more ingredients and more ingredients, and that's what kind of got me lazy. I do truly believe that this detox water is absolutely amazing. I really do feel a lot thinner, if that makes sense. I really do. I feel like I lose weight so much quicker when I'm on the detox water. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be prepping our detox water and I'll show you how you can have this every day without the fuss of having to chop up fresh ingredients all the time. So here we go. This is the ingredients you're going to need. Fresh mint leaves, some lemons, cucumber and ginger. First up, grab your cucumber and slice it thinly, then dice it into tiny little cubes and set aside. Next, grab your lemon, slice off the edges and grate the skin until bare before chopping into tiny little cubes as well and setting aside. And next, grab your ginger and peel off all the skin using a spoon. Then give your ginger a quick rinse before grating and setting aside. And lastly, wash your mint leaves thoroughly and then chop finely. And now for the fun part, guys. Fill your infuser with each ingredient in layers until it's all filled up, like this. Now, grab a freezer bag and empty all of your ingredients into it. This is so you know you're freezing the exact amount that you need. And repeat until all your ingredients is gone. Now, roll up each bag before you seal them to remove as much air as you possibly can. And voila, done! You're ready to pop them in the freezer. This water is so refreshing. You can taste the lemon, you can taste the mint and the ginger. Honestly, it is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Yes, it takes a while to chop things up, but if you bag them up and freeze them, all you need to do is take them out of the freezer and bam, you've got your water again without having to chop up multiple times a week. So I swear by it. Give it a go for a few weeks, step on the scales and you'll be able to see the difference too. I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it has been a pleasure. Definitely tune in next time for more health, fitness and lifestyle videos. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button right now. Give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see or things that you might like me to try out. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.